Hi, I'm Skylar. If your iPhone is stuffed to the gills, there are a couple different things you could do to free up some space. First of all, go to Settings. Then tap General and tap Usage. You'll see at the top it says Storage and it tells you how much is available, how much is used. Then it'll give you a list of all of the applications you've got installed and how much space they're taking up. So we see that Filmic Pro is taking up 1.5 gigabytes of space. I could tap that and then tap Delete App and then it would remove all of that. So I could go through here and eliminate a few things in order to get some space back. But what if that's not enough? What if you plug it into iTunes and it shows that a large amount of your capacity is taken up by a yellow bar that says Other? Well, I've had that happen. The way to fix that is by placing your iPhone or iPod into recovery mode and restoring it to factory settings. Here's the web page that will walk you through that in a detailed way. It's iOS unable to update or restore. And this will step you through placing your iPod or iPhone into recovery mode and erasing it, reinstalling the software, and then you can move your purchases and all of your information from iTunes back on board. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.